Is it starting?
Yeah.
Alright. Yo. See me. Up in this Lamborghini, and you know that Sanchez love me, but she never hear me from me. I'm the mayor of my city, and tonight she looks so pretty, ugly. That's why I had dinner later, hug me, she'll be dating other guys, and she would thought it would bug me to come around. She was broke, who's max, I called her and hoe. Then Gonzalez have the coke, orange cushions what I smoke, and I got this little boat, and I have this little hoe, so I think it's gonna float. And I have this winter coat, and this bit to soak, and I call it Gucci fur. Don't go straight to bird, cause he ripped off little Michael when I got this plastic bottle. I'ma throw it in recycle when my daddy got this rifle. When I got it from the bed, shot is on the head, took a wallet and the money, then you thought it was funny. Hey, giggles in the morning, I'm stretching and yawning. Hit you with my right hook, round one, George Foreman. You could call me Roman, rest in peace, Gary Coleman. Fuck this girl and I told him, smoking on that reefer. Wear my pirates hat like Wiz Khalifa. I'm a beast, you're a creature. Just came back from the past and the future. Still smoking my teacher, smoking Mr. K. Asking if he was gay, nah nigga, I'm straight. Just came from the Bay, hey LA, cause the Dodgers over there, they ain't fair. Giants always beat them all the time. That's when this Chris living room, think about my rhymes. Fly like paper, get high like planes. You can call me Mr. Roman, I like changing my name. Hopping on a train and I smoke Mary Jane. If they're my Swiss lane, I sniff cocaine. Not people on this, so they like getting it from me. Don't do drugs unless you're getting it from me. Everyone's a dealer, they're making that move. Back at the beach when I'm feeding some shrooms. Back at the crossroad where I sold my soul. I'm a very good drug dealer because I watched the movie Below. Oh, so I'm making that dope. Every nigga folds on my wish to grow. Sitting on the couch when the morning post, when the old cup of coffee and some boring toast. I'm changing up, it's always fun. We think Chris, I'm McDonald's run. So we hit the couch cushion with some dollar friends. Yo, I find a 5 miles Canadian, and I find a loony and a 20 and a spoon and the going on 10, 25. Then you got a Muji. I got the cash, got the car, got the pedal to the floor. Speed limit 25, but I'm doing 34. Going fast, food drive, going fast express. You would call it trash fat, I call it happiness. Cause I'm rolling to the telephone minutes is bad. Friendship with the headset, can I take it all there? With the griddle with the needles with the cells or something. I've been stuffing up and muffin, I've been stuffing my trunk. A whole life I've been in last place. Look at me now, I'm shining like a star, so I guess I'm in first place. I just needed a little common sense. You need that shit, that's what got me on the bench. Could it be the hater and could it be the politician? I wanna party every day like Snooki in the situation with the Nikes on my feet and a cross around my neck, holding in my cup, licking the upper deck. Yeah, your girl's bouncing on my dick and I'm swinging for the fence. She call me little flip, but she don't got me on check. Nah. Cut.